Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to another class. Sorry, I'm not at class today. I have other prior business with the school, so I won't be in class today. So you have to just watch the video and complete the lesson. So as you can see, I'm getting a little bit better at using this technology. So you still get to see my face today, which is, yeah, my key. We're gonna go ahead and go into the lesson for today, which is bank statement. All right. Once you have a bank account, it's important that you know how to keep a track or abreast of where your money is going in terms of your deposits, checks that you write, or whatever withdrawals you make, as well as service charge and interest that you earn. So if you look at the slides, you'll see that you have definitions for your bank statement and also what is a service charge. You will also see that there's a formula there for how to calculate your present balance, which your present balance is equals to your previous balance plus whatever deposits you make into your account minus whatever checks or whatever withdrawals come from your account minus whatever service fees you have to pay and plus the interest that you may earn. All right, so let's go ahead and go into the first example, and you will see what I'm talking about exactly. So as you can see, the formula says that your current balance. All right, so let's write this here. Current balance is equals to your previous balance plus deposits minus, it says minus what? Withdrawals. And then it's going to be minus whatever service charge you got to make. And it's plus interest. All right. So what we're going to do, so that everyone understand, we already know what our previous balance is. That is given. So I want to figure out what my total deposit is. So my total deposit, all right, or I can say deposit is equals to, it says in the problem that you make deposits of 755.50 plus 210.40. All right, and when I add both of these together, it's gonna give me a total of 965.90. All right, so this number is gonna be crucial once we get there. I look at withdrawals, and it says I wrote checks for 355.50 and I wrote a check for 125.50. So I want to know what was the total withdrawal out of the account. So when I combine these two numbers, I'm going to get $481. All right. So this is my deposit total and this is my withdrawal total. All right. And I already know what my service charge is and what my interest is. So to find my current balance, it's going to be my previous balance, which as we can see, it's 944.50, all right, plus whatever deposit I made, which is 965.90 minus 481, all right, and then we're also going to subtract the service charge, which is $3. And then we're going to add our interest, which is 25 cents. Okay, so once I do that, once I plug this in my calculator, it is going to give me a total of 1,426.65. And that's my answer. So what I did was I went in and I found what my total deposit was, what my total withdrawal was, and then it was easier for me to come back and say, okay, it was my previous balance plus my deposit minus my withdrawals minus whatever service charge, if there's a service charge, plus my interest to get my current balance. All right. All right. So let's look at the second example. So we go to the second example, and as you can see, I embedded this image into the work. So this is what a bank statement will look like. All right, this is what, whenever you get a bank statement, this is what it looks like. And there's certain key information that you need to look for in here. So here, if when I look at this bank statement, it says my deposit, this is my previous balance. All right, this is my previous balance. As you can see here, it said I had 2 deposits totaling 913.40 cents, and then I had 5 withdrawals totaling 554.54. All right. It also told me that I didn't have any service charge, I didn't earn any interest, and it told me that my balance, my present balance now should be 672.40. All right. All of this information down here is just telling me whenever I made whatever deposits I made, on what date. It's also telling me the different checks that was used. Okay. And down here, it's also telling me the daily balance each day whenever the balance change. All right. So what we're going to do for guided problem 2, it says here, it says that Margaret received her bank statement and canceled check for March shown in the previous slide, which is this. All right. So it needs to verify her present balance. All right. So we know that her present balance, so let me slide it here. Her present balance, we know is equals to her previous balance, which her previous balance was equals to what? Our previous balance, as we see from there, it's equals to 313.54. We need to find her deposit. So if we check deposits, was equals to 913.40. Withdrawals equals to 554.54. So now I can come back and I can say, sorry, this is previous PREVIOUS. All right, so now I can come back and I can say that her present balance is equals to her previous balance, which is 313.54 plus 913.40. All right, and this is gonna, oh my god, and this is gonna be minus 554.54. All right, and like you guys see, I embedded the calculator in there. So if you plug this in, you're gonna get a present balance of 672.40. And this shows that this amount that we have here matches to what's on the statement. All right. So this is pretty much, like I said, it's a pretty simple topic. You just have to identify your deposits, your withdrawals, if there's a service charge, and if there's interest, find whatever those totals are, and then you add or subtract to get your present balance. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys complete the classwork. There's 5 classwork problems that you need to upload, and then there's also your homework that you need to upload. Again, if you need any help, whatever help, if you feel stuck, email me or G-chat me. If you feel lost, email me or G-chat me. If you feel like you need help, email me or G-chat me. I'm here to help you, so please use that resource. All right? Have a good weekend. Bye.